In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scrape any website with Claude Cowork. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Claude, start a fresh workspace, write a precise scraping prompt, and run it to get clean, structured results you can use. First, open Claude in your browser. Give the page a second to load so all tools are ready. If you've used Claude before, you'll recognize the clean, distraction-free interface. Keeping your browser up to date helps everything run smoothly, especially when Claude needs to fetch and process web content. Next, look to the left sidebar and click the plus sign. That starts a new chat, which is perfect for keeping one scraping task separate from everything else. A dedicated chat makes it easier to refine your instructions and maintain a clean record of inputs and outputs for this specific site. Now, type your prompt. This is where the magic happens, so be clear and specific. Tell Claude the exact website you want to scrape, what data to extract, and how you want it formatted. For example, you might write, scrape the articles from htexample.com/blog. Extract title, author, publish date, canonical URL, and summary. Return results as a CSV with headers, title, author, date, URL, summary. Exclude navigation, footers, and ads. If there are multiple pages, cover the first 5. Respect robots.txt and the site's terms. If items are missing fields, leave them blank rather than guessing. You can tailor this to your needs, list pages to include or ignore, set limits to avoid overloading a site, or request JSON, markdown tables, or bullet point summaries. If the site uses pagination or categories, say so. If the content is dynamic, mention that and ask for the most reliable rendered content available. Keep it lawful and ethical. Only scrape publicly accessible pages you're allowed to access and avoid sensitive or private data. When your prompt looks good, click Submit or press Enter. Claude Cowork will analyze your instructions, visit the target pages as permitted, and return results in the format you requested. If something isn't quite right, maybe the dates need a consistent format or you want a different column order, ask for a revision in the same chat. You can also request validation, like show a sample of 5 rows before running the full pass, to make sure the structure meets your needs. That's it. Open Claude, start a new chat, craft a precise prompt, and submit. With clear instructions and respectful limits, Claude Cowork makes web scraping fast, structured, and dependable.